What up, everybody? Here we go again. This time I got a black canvas and I just painted, maybe we'll do like a forest or waterfall, but we'll see what we'll come up with. And I wanted to probably do it with mostly crimson and Indian yellow with 3 colors. So let's get started and see what we come up with. Okay, see, I just went ahead and put some yellow and some alizarin crimson. Looks like almost like a sunset type painting in the desert. Let's see what we come up with. Alright, let me clean my brush. Alright, let's get started with this. Let's see, first thing I'm going to do is make like a light source. So I'm just going to take some titanium white, maybe our light source comes right here. And this works up. Something like that. And we got, already we got something going. Just that fast. Let me clean my brush once again. Okay, let's move on. Maybe I just might put some trees. Okay, I think I see where this is going. Let's put some trees and stuff in there. Okay, I got brown loaded on the fan brush, and I'm just going to go right up in here. I'm just going to start adding maybe some tree shapes. Along here. Maybe these are cliffs or something. You just gotta see what you got and what you made and go with it. Maybe these are cliffs or something. I think that's probably what they are, far in the distance. This will be a simple painting, so it's gonna indication of some trees. Then I'm going to take some white because that sun is hitting the light source, so and I'm just going to, the light source is hitting these trees, so it's going to be getting the light right up in there. Okay, see, now you can see all that. That's beautiful. It's already beautiful as it is. And then I'm going to take, I'll bang this in there, create some mist. And it's going to pull up, and that's it. Clean my fan brush. I'll be right back with you, and then I'm going to add some more brown to the fan brush. Start off light, and as I get closer, come dark. Add just a little bit of crimson. So we got alizarin crimson and brown on the fan brush, so I'm just going to go right up in here and just do the same thing with strokes just like that. Easy, 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 easy breezy. I think this is my 84th video. Got a lot of videos out now. Going to do like this and this. See all that? That's nice and soft back there. Very pretty, very pretty. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to So I make some grassy areas. And maybe I'm just going to add some white and maybe there's some highlights right in here, these trees. Like so. Okay, that's good. Just gonna tap these, and pull up, and soften it up, and scroll across. Easy. All right, we got something like that. Okay. I think I'll do some cliffs or some rocks. Let's do that next. Coming right down here somewhere. Okay, since we already got a dark, all I gotta do is just mix up some brown and some white. See, I got some brown, some white on the knife, so maybe our cliffs come up, maybe like that. Maybe this comes in front, like that. There's a cliff right there for a rock, and maybe right up in here, there's another one. Let it break. Alright, this painting's going pretty good so far. I like it. And right here, the knife is just doing what I want it to do. Right there. And we got some nice rocks right there. Or cliffs. Going to do the same on this side, like so, and come down, just a little pressure. Look at that. Already we got something to look at, and it's beautiful. It makes you feel good when you look at it. Okay, got that. All right, let's pull some reflectance into the water. It's going to go right up in here. It's going to pull these down. My easel just rocking and twisting and turning. Okay, we got something like that. Easy. Very easy. Okay, let's put some water lines now. Just gonna go dip my head down so that way my big head won't be in the way. Okay. So put some water lines. Right on here, like so, some ripples, or probably should have put my waterfall first, but that's all right. We can put it in later, or we can put it in now if you like. Let's do that. Let's put it in now. Take the brush, take some white. Maybe a waterfall is right there, comes off, and maybe it splashes right up in here. Maybe this splashes, then this goes like that. Waterfalls in the back, and it's just making all kinds of things. There you go. See, there's water. And I'll put some Alizarin Crimson right there. Okay, so far we got that. See? Bob Ross wasn't lying when he said you could do this. He sure wasn't lying. Whoever's watching. watching this, they can too. Right. Okay, we got that part done. Okay, now I'm just gonna probably add maybe some more things. Let's see what we come up with. Okay, maybe in these dark areas there's something growing, maybe some moss or something. So let's do that. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit. Maybe right up in here. I'm gonna find a 1-inch brush, and I'm gonna take some yellow, Indian yellow. Maybe right up in here. Just tap in some stuff that's growing right up in there. Take some little bit of white. There you go. And just kind of tap in some little vegetation or something that's growing right up in here. Something that's growing over something like that. Okay, maybe right over in here, something growing. Should have put that in first, but that's all right. We can live with it. Ain't the end of the world now. Okay, got something like that. Just to add. Okay, now maybe down in here we'll have something. See what we come up with. Dogs are barking in the background. See, we got. Let me see. We'll just add some more of this stuff. These ripples. Okay, that's coming out all right. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull these down. Just grab them and pull them. Okay. Now, I think what I want to do is make maybe some stones in these in this water. So I'm just going to go give me some brown, and I'm just going to indications of some nice rocks and stuff. Maybe there's one right over in here. Maybe right here. So I hope you can see those. Yeah, right there. And what I'm going to do is highlight them so they can pop out even more. White right up in there, and just make them stand up, make them kind of stand up. Whoops, almost dropped my knife. My palette knife. I don't use weapons while I paint, but there's some stones and stuff. And I'm just gonna add some yellow, make some ripples. There you go. Yeah, that just changes it. All right. Here, we could just saw the edge of this canvas off right here, and we could be done, but that's cheating. We don't want to do that. So let's continue to go. All right. I think I'll just have a nice grassy field right there, so we'll do that next. Over here, I just dropped in some color. Now, I'm just going to take. Let's see, take some of that Indian yellow. I'm just going to go right over in here. See if that's showing up. Nope, that's not even showing up. Let me add some white in there. There we go. Now that's showing up. I'm just going to tap some grass up in here. I'm just using the corner of the brush. Like so. Alright, now we got some grass, some nice grass right there. This little scene looks pretty. It's different what I been doing. So it's almost done. I think I'll add like a nice tree right there. Okay, we'll do that next. Okay, right over in here we're gonna add maybe a tree right there. Let's see, I gotta add some more brown. Of course I'm using Bob Ross's oil paints, as you can see. And I'm just gonna add some brown to my easel. And probably, let's see, I'm just gonna do kind of like a big tree texture. Or maybe right up in here. Just gonna, oh yeah, it's already working out. It's already working good. This big tree. Maybe just like that. Maybe this goes up here. It's a little bit taller. So, like that. Okay. Maybe it has like a, let's see, maybe it has like an arm that comes right up in here. And maybe let me give it another arm coming off this side. Okay. Now let's highlight that. It's going to come around the tree trunk. Let's see. Just like this. Highlighting the tree. Nice highlight. Okay. That one may be a little bit too bright, so let's add some, darken it a little. Kids playing in the background. Okay, you got something, a nice tree right there. All right, let's add some shadow. It's gonna take mostly brown, some yellow. Going to come around on this side and just drop in the shadow color. So just going to pull this more back, make it look more round. Okay, there you go. Now it looks a little better. Let's see. Now I'm going to take a script liner brush. Okay, I got a kind of a sharp point on my script liner. And I'm just going to add just like some limbs and stuff to this tree, branches. All kinds of little goodies. I also like to spin the brush. let's add a whole bunch to this tree. That way it'll make it look good. Of course, it's a dead old tree, but that happens. I notice my paint's a little thin in some areas, but this painting's almost done anyways. Okay. Alright. We're almost done. Let me just cover the tree's feet. And we'll be done. So let me just go right up in here. Some white. White and some crimson. Come down here. Make some pretty pink type shapes. Okay, I think we have a finished painting. Let me add little ripples right there. A little bit more ripples right up in here. I have a lot of paint left over. This paint's expensive too. Add a little bit of ripples from the water. Something like that. And I could just pull these back if I want, like I'm doing a seascape. I think I will, just to give it a little more action. Alright, I'm just going to cover this. Maybe there's some things growing right up in there. Alright, I think we got a finished painting. Let's sign it and we'll call it good. I'm going to sign it next. Okay, let's sign it right over by the tree trunk. Right over in here. Hope you enjoyed this video and this painting. If you like, subscribe to my painting channel. I have a lot more paintings for you to do. And everybody have a nice evening. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.